Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20875. Very nice running Yale GP050 to 5,000 pound capacity pneumatic tire forklift. Wade's going to give us a little demonstration real fast. Has excellent air drive pneumatic tires and almost like new solid pneumatic steer tires. Has a very nice low profile triple stage mast with 174-inch max lift height. Unit does have side shift carriage. Smooth running LP gas engine with recent work. It's a new PM service, new paint job, serviced, ready to go. You can test drive this forklift or any other forklifts at either of our stores in Denver or Fort Collins, or check out them out online at abetterforklift.com. Appreciate the time.